dear Toastmasters and Siraj sir in particular. Today we are attempting a management speech which was a technical presentation in which you had to present a technical topic in a manner which could be understood in an inverted pyramid model. Inverted pyramid basically means you give the conclusion, then you give the explanations, and then you come out with the analysis and recommendations. Okay, so just to clarify that. Now let's see how you fared, sir. Two things which were absolutely outstanding in your speech was the depth of research. You had completely researched the topic. The topic was role of HR and business excellence. You gave us definitions of HR excellence, HR. You gave us the importance of role of HR. You gave us compatibility. There was primary research where you had interviewed 100 candidates, plus there was secondary research where you quoted from several sources. So the in-depth research was fantastic. Second thing is you stuck by the technique. You started with the conclusion as the inverted pyramid, as the project guidelines called for. Then you went into the explanations, you gave the research methodology, objectives, and then again concluded with the analysis and finding. So the technique and the research and the depth was absolutely fantastic. But what needed improvement? There's a famous saying which says power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely. There's one more saying, data confuses and absolute data confuses absolutely. So what happened was, you had to present the topic in a way which was understandable. So when you started off by saying there is a correlation of 0.71 between role of HR and the recruiter competency models, etc., people were getting confused. What is this correlation? 0.7, I think. Santosh Jadhav thought at that time 3624, what is this happening? What are these figures? What are they relating to? If you can make it more compatible, there is a 71% chance that a person having those competencies will give out a better outcome. That makes it simpler for people to understand. If you say 0.71, 0.74, it becomes a little non-understandable to people. Second, is if you compress too much data into one thing. You talk about business excellence, give a definition. You talk about human resource, give a definition. You talk about outcomes, you give a definition. Then you give papers to them which they're wondering what to do now. Understand? In that case, there is too much of data which is compressed in an 8 to 10 minute speech. I know it's a fantastic doctoral thesis, but pick out one objective. This versus this. Give a simplistic thing. These are the competencies which I am going to explain to you all. This is the outcome, and finally if you possess these competencies, the recruiter becomes a good recruiter. That's all is enough. Too much of material and not interpreting the statistics properly were the only two shortfalls of your brilliant presentation. But for attempting a technical speech and taking the club to different levels altogether in management speaking, you deserve a big round of applause. Thank you.